This is a Tecumseh. It is 2130 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Every time I turn a corner in this home, you're gonna say, wow. Notice the medium flooring with the white island and dark cabinets. It really gives a sense of motion to the house. This is a 2-piece plan. Rustic Beech, frontier stain, definitely a brown. Subway tiles. Notice this has gray grout. Simple look, very classic. Everything in this home is very classically done. I feel like I'm in a spread from Better Homes and Gardens. Great little coffee nook. They're using it for a microwave. You could use it as a media space. I'm going to pop into the laundry room here. Get ready. 2 windows, lots of light coming in. Look at that. I'm going to close up on these windows. They're huge, and they give so much light in your laundry. Pole for hanging clothes right above the sink. You've got room for your laundry down below, laundry baskets. This is just stunningly done. They chose not to have a bench with cubbies, but if you chose to have one, this would be a great spot to have it, right as you walk in from your garage. I'm going to make sure that I showed you the other side of this. So you know, drawers versus doors. If you're choosing your own home, take note of what's used where. This is just a laminate countertop with a 360-degree turn here. Nice rounded edge. Notice the tile goes all the way up to the top. Built-in shelving. And you could have shelves if you want there. I love how she's bringing in the white from the island and moving it to another part of the home. This has so much light in here. And I asked her how that bed fit perfect. That's a queen size bed. So if you have a king, let's just move those windows out a little bit so it fits right in between. But a queen size bed, perfectly between those windows. So much light flooding in this house from everywhere. Craftsman trim. Huge double door linen cabinet. These are standard faucets in black. Gibson by Moen. two huge windows there. Definitely so much light. She has a tub behind that, tub and shower. This is so cute. First of all, you got this great other window. So 3 windows in your bathroom. Cute, cute, cute spot. Behind this, you have a little half wall in your toilet. These would be Pella Impervia windows because they're black, and she has black on the inside and on the outside. Check the comments later. I'll be adding the exterior photo so you can get an idea of what it looks like on the exterior. That's the countertop again right there. Added. Cute, cute, cute decoration spot. Simple fireplace. Really great pendant lights there. And this is where the second box would begin, is about here, I believe. Lots of light, 2 doors, 1 on each side. This homeowner just moved in 4 months ago, so it doesn't quite have the stools yet, but this house looks like it's been here for about 3 years. It's so finished. Pantry. Most of our pantries are set up so the lights go on when you walk into them. That's melamine shelving. You could have oak shelving in there if you so chose. It's a standard shower behind there. Linen cabinet. This is definitely a very deep bathroom. Plenty of room to stand back, get ready. The homeowner said she chose this plan because the bedrooms were the largest. And she has small children. Walk-in closets. All the closets are walk-in. I'm going to take you back out to the kitchen. One last look at this absolutely beautiful home.